Today, we will show you how to install and customize your Pokémon Sleep Connect IQ watch face for your compatible Garmin smartwatch. Before we begin, you will need your Garmin smartwatch connected to the Garmin Connect application on your compatible smartphone. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the process is the same on Android smartphones. Start by opening the Garmin Connect application on your smartphone. Verify your watch is connected by selecting the watch icon in the top right corner. Next, select More in the bottom right corner. Then select Connect IQ Store to open the application. The main screen will show you top downloads for watch apps, data fields, music services, and more. In this video, we will only be guiding you through installing Pokémon Sleep watch faces. However, this process will be similar for other Connect IQ downloads. If you have more than one Garmin watch and need to choose the watch you want to modify, select Device in the bottom right corner. Select the three dots in the top right corner. Tap Select this device. Then, select the paired device you want to modify. Select the search icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type Pokémon Sleep to locate the Pokémon Sleep watch faces made by Garmin. You can also find the direct download links for these watch faces in the description below. From here, you can select the Pokémon Sleep watch face you would like to install on your compatible Garmin smartwatch. To check device compatibility, scroll down and select the Compatible Devices option and locate your Garmin watch. Return to the watch face and select Install. Select Allow when asked to confirm permissions. The watch face will be added to your Garmin watch the next time you sync. Next, we will show you how to customize the Pokémon Sleep watch faces using the Connect IQ Store application. You can also customize watch faces on your compatible Garmin smartwatch. For steps on how to do this, refer to your owner's manual. Open the Garmin Connect IQ application on your compatible smartphone. Select Device in the bottom right corner. Select My Watch Faces. Select the installed Pokémon Sleep watch face you want to customize. Then select Settings. From here, you can customize the settings for your Pokémon Sleep watch face, including data fields, date format, pose change frequency, Pokémon, and more. Customization options may vary between watch faces. Select Save in the top right corner to confirm your changes. Your Pokémon Sleep watch face customizations will update on your watch the next time you sync. And that's it. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.